ولقد خلقنا الإنسان ونعلم ما توسوس به نفسه ونحن أقرب إليه من حبل الوريد.
And we have already created man, and know what his soul whispers to him, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein.
إذ يتلقى المتلقيان عن اليمين وعن الشمال قعيد.
When the two receivers receive, seated on the right and on the
ما
left.
يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد.
Man does not utter any word except that with him is an observer prepared to record.
وجاءت سكرة الموت بالحق ذلك ما كنت منه تحيد.
And the intoxication of death will bring the truth. That is what you were trying to avoid.
ونفخ في الصور ذلك يوم الوعيد.
And the horn will be blown. That is the day of carrying out the threat.
وجاءت كل نفس معها سائق. وجاءت كل نفس معها سائق وشهيد.
And every soul will come, with it a driver and a witness.
لقد كنت في غفلة من هذا فكشفنا عنك غطاءك فبصرك اليوم حديد.
It will be said, you were certainly in unmindfulness of this, and we have removed from you your cover, so your sight this day is sharp.
وقال قرينه هذا ما لدي عتيد.
And his companion, the angel, will say, this record is what is with me, prepared.
ألقيا في جهنم كل كفار عنيد مناع للخير معتد مريب.
Allah will say, throw into hell every obstinate disbeliever, preventer of good, aggressor and doubter.
الذي جعل مع الله إلها آخر فألقياه في العذاب الشديد.
Who made as equal with Allah another deity, then throw him into the severe punishment.
قال قرينه ربنا ما أطغيته ولكن كان في ضلال بعيد.
His devil companion will say, our Lord, I did not make him transgress, but he himself was in extreme error.
قال لا تختصموا لدي وقد قدمت إليكم بالوعيد.
Allah will say, do not dispute before me, while I had already presented to you the warning.
ما يبدل القول لدي وما أنا بظلام للعبيد.
The word will not be changed with me, and never will I be unjust to the servants.